Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This was our third day in Osaka and a night before we went to Universal. Down one of the streets, we found this toy shop packed with plushies. It has pretty much everything, and we ended up staying there way longer than we expected just looking through it all. And then we spent another 20 minutes trying on all the character hats. The penguin ones were so adorable. We got up early the next day and caught the train over to the park. And we got there at around 9 a.m. It started pouring rain almost as soon as we arrived, but honestly, the weather drove most of the crowds away. The rides I was most excited for were the Harry Potter ones and Mario Kart, but since we were right near Emily Village, we decided to go to Jaws first. The first stop was Jaws. There was barely any line at all since it was raining that day, and they don't let you film once you're on the boat, but it was still pretty fun. After that, we walked straight over to Hogsmeade.
Really cold. So we're in line for the Harry Potter flight of hippogriff. This is our single ride.
We thought we were queuing for the flight of the hippogriff, only to realize halfway through that we were actually in line for the forbidden drink instead. But it ended up being a great mistake because the ride was awesome.
So this is us before the Space Fantasy ride.
We went straight to Bowser's Castle to get in line for the Mario Kart ride, and the queue was surprisingly less than 20 minutes. We were pretty hungry, so we headed straight for lunch at the Snoopy cafe, and the packaging of everything was super cute. Both of us ordered the Snoopy teriyaki burger. I give it a 6 out of 10. It wasn't bad, but it also wasn't amazing. We also had this sparrow hang out right next to our table for 10 minutes, trying to drag away a french fry. After lunch, we headed over to Minion Park. There weren't many people around, so we went for Minion Mayhem and also Villain Con class. And surprisingly, there was no queue at all. I brought out my star popcorn bucket from earlier, which actually worked great as a light while walking back through the paths.